Tesla could have entered the light truck market by slapping electric engines into a chassis built like a Ford F-150 or Chevy Silverado. That's not what happened. The Cybertruck looks nothing like in typical pickup truck. Tesla's Gigafactory Nevada is the largest lithium-ion battery factory in the world. The company now have opened a second Gigafactory in Buffalo, New York, which produces photovoltaic modules and solar cells. Love it or hate it, the Tesla Cybertruck is going to be remembered as the most iconic vehicle of our era. It looks like no other vehicle on the market. Its new class of strength, speed and versatility, only possible with an all-electric design. Number 5. Built to last. Built for maximum protection. The unique 30x cold-rolled stainless steel exoskeleton help eliminate dents, damage and long-term corrosion with a smooth monochrome exoskeleton that provides passengers maximum protection. Number 4. Autopilot. If you pre-order the Tesla truck before 2021, you can select the full self-driving autopilot, but it's unclear how it would overcome current federal regulations before it's made available to the public. Number 3. If you have a need for speed, well, there you have it. It is extremely fast. You can expect a sprint to 60 miles per hour in from 2.9 to 6.5 seconds. Ultra-strong glass and polymer-layered composite can absorb and redirect impact force for improved performance and damage tolerance. With the ability to pull near infinite mass and a towing capability of over 14,000 pounds, the Cybertruck can perform in almost any situation with the greatest of ease. Number 2. Storage. It can withstand up to 3,500 pounds of payload along with capacity and adjustable air suspension, engineered with 100 cubic feet of exterior, lockable storage, 6.5 feet of storage. Flexible interior, it seats 6 comfortable with additional storage under the second row seat. Lockable magic tonneau cover that is strong enough to stand on. Number 1. The Cybertruck is built with an exterior shell made for ultimate durability and passenger protection with a nearly impenetrable exoskeleton. The glass is ultra-strong glass and polymer-layered composite. It can absorb and redirect impact force.